What's going on, y'all, man? It's Big COBJ, man. Lock update, so I can see. Still got the braids and 2 strands on this side. We're combing these out, crocheting them. I said I want to start this video on my YouTube channel so y'all can see how my hair was. As you see how the parting is. Everything's looking cool. Y'all kind of probably see the 2 strand and the braids on this side. We're reconstructing my locks. You can see how it is right here as well. See the ones we've been working on. See how it looks way more smooth. No knots, anything like that, compared to like these. As you can see. So y'all stay updated. Check that out. Y'all can see the braid and everything in there. So y'all stay tuned, man. I wanted to do a lock update for my channel. Show y'all what's going on. I'm getting them worked on. We're combing them completely out and going to crochet them to reset, man. Yes, sir, man. Big COBJ Slice. Y'all can finally see my face, man. I'm not behind the camera, you know, cutting, slicing, and dicing, man. This is an update on my hair, bro. Y'all see my locks are coming together. We almost fully combed them out and crocheted them by the best Sheena Bina. Hey. Y'all tap in. Y'all stay tuned. This is just a quick update real quick on my hair. Let's go, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff, man. I interact with all my subscribers, my followers. Y'all tap in, man. Big COBJ Slice in this mug, man.
And we back at it again. Gonna go ahead and clip these up, get these out the way. So we're gonna restart on a little twist and everything. We already got everything combed out now. All right, so go ahead and look at these real quick. We got everything crocheted. Get these more pinned up. Locks looking nice. Now we finna get it right for real, for real. All right. Trying to get them ready, trying to get it right. So I'm just wetting the hair up a little bit. Spraying a little water, but I didn't want to go ahead and get them drenched or nothing like that. So now I'm just kind of starting with the twist process. I'm using the comb to do like a coil twist. So you can see that right there. Nice little coil and a hand roll with it. And we're going to do that all the way through and get them right. Part's going to be looking nice at the end. You're going to see it. Got the double clips to hold everything in place. You're going to have to sit under the dryer later with it. And as you see what it looks like now, it's definitely going to look a lot different later. I'm just getting that part nice and crispy. He has some triangle parts, so we're going to go ahead and try to keep those. So that's how I'm just trying to, you see, doing a coil twist again. And then some of just to make sure it's real smooth. Want to make sure it's combed through good. We're going to keep going with the coil twist, hand roll. Clip that bad boy. And we're going to keep doing it all the way through. And you see it. So really just repeating the process and repeating the process. Gotta get the part right. All right, there we go with the coil twist again. Look comb through because we don't want no knots. We want these smooth and nice. Hand roll, hand roll. Then we're gonna clip that bad boy. It's a process, but definitely, like we say, trust the process. And you see he got a lot of loose hair right there, but we just gonna go ahead. We restarting everything anyway. Coil twist. And then we're gonna do our hand roll. We're gonna get everything right for him. All right, let's start with another layer. So as you see, all we doing is just getting that part right first. Let's do a little water spread. And then we're gonna repeat the same process again. Get the part right. Use the comb to do a coil. And then we're gonna hand roll. And you see he got that good hair. So he got that soft hair. So it takes a little bit more to make sure these stay right, but these gonna come out fine. Y'all gonna see it. Yeah, you see it right there. Just repeating the process over and over and get them right. And as you can see, you don't see no more of the little braids in there. You can't tell it was ever braided because we combed all those out, combed his hair completely through, and pretty much restarted everything. He's on this lock journey for real. He is not playing with y'all. Y'all see it, just still working with them parts. Make sure y'all stay tuned to see the whole video. The hair's gonna be nice, nice at the end. You're gonna see the parts, you're gonna see the action. It's gonna look nice. And I do use a lot of clips. I want everything to stay in place. I want to put them under the dryer just like that. We're gonna keep everything in place because he got some really soft hair. But earrings he got on about to blind me. All right, here we go. Sectioning off another part. Some people just don't stay still, man. He all right. I let him get away with it. Here we go, trying to get the part nice and crispy again. Just repeating the process. That's all it is, repeating the process. Y'all definitely make sure y'all go look at these hoodies. He gonna be dropping some hoodies soon. And they fire. I know I'm getting me a couple. All right, as you see, still just using the comb. Gonna still keep doing the coil with the comb. Still doing the hand roll. Just getting that part straight. Using 2 different products, but not too much. Like I said, he got good hair. So we use that pure. And we use a little Jamaican mango and lime on his hair. Keep his hair really good and moisturized. Look at that. All right, let's get to the other side. So y'all see that product on my hand? That's the pure right there. That keep his hair well maintained for a while. We try not to mess with it after we do it. Just let it kind of do its own thing. Let his locks do what they do. And again, notice you see no braids. That's exactly what he wanted. Get all those braids out. So that's what we did. Just working my magic. Gotta get that part crispy. Nigga, like, he taking no long blinks. He trying to go to sleep. But that's all right. Still just working on them parts. Now I'm finna coil it with the comb again. You see it? Got a little jam session going on. But we still gonna keep it moving. Gotta multitask. Coil with the comb. Still use that comb for any little kinks you may see. And then we hand roll it. That's why you get that nice smooth lock right there. It's a process, y'all. It's a process, but trust the process. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to all his videos. You can learn something, I'm telling you. I told y'all he the one taught me how to do the crocheting. You see it? We get in there. And bam, there we go right here. You see it? Look at them parts. Don't play with them. Make sure y'all like and subscribe.